In this video, we listed the 5 best treadmill for walking that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sperax Under-Desk Treadmill. The Sperax 3-in-1 folding treadmill is a versatile and innovative fitness solution designed for both walking and running enthusiasts. With a sleek red and black design, this professional-grade treadmill features dimensions of 50-inch dx 20.8, wx 40h and weighs 51 pounds, making it suitable for various settings, including homes and offices. It boasts a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor, allowing users to reach speeds of up to 6.2 miles per hour, with 3 distinct modes: leisure, 0.6 to 2 miles per hour, walking, 0.6 to 3 miles per hour, and running, 3 to 6 miles per hour. The wide, non-slip belt ensures a comfortable workout experience, while the multifunctional LED display and remote control enable users to easily track their progress and adjust speeds without interruption. Additionally, the treadmill arrives fully assembled, promoting hassle-free setup, and its foldable design allows for convenient storage, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine without taking up much space. Number 2. UREVO Under-Desk Treadmill. The UREVO Under-Desk Treadmill is a versatile and compact exercise solution designed for adults seeking to incorporate walking, jogging, or running into their daily routines, whether at home or in the office. With dimensions of 46.57-inch dx 19.29, wx 4.45h and a lightweight design of 37.48 pounds, this treadmill is easily portable and can be conveniently stored under desks or beds. It features a robust alloy steel construction and a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour, enhanced by a double shock absorption system that includes 8 silicone shock absorbers and 2 soft rubber pads, ensuring a comfortable workout while minimizing noise levels below 45 dB. The treadmill is equipped with an LED display that tracks speed, distance, time, and calories, and comes with a remote control for easy speed adjustments. UREVO emphasizes customer satisfaction with a 1-year warranty and dedicated support, making it a reliable choice for fitness enthusiasts looking for a quiet and efficient exercise option. Number 3. THERUN Walking Pad Treadmill. The THERUN Portable Walking Pad is a versatile and compact treadmill designed for convenience and efficiency, suitable for all fitness levels. Measuring 48.03-inch dx 19.76, wx 4.96h and weighing 40.78 pounds, this alloy steel treadmill features a powerful 2.5 HP motor that supports a maximum weight of 300 pounds and offers a speed range of 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour. It can be used as an under-desk treadmill for working or as a walking pad for light jogging, making it ideal for use at home or in the office. The treadmill's sleek design allows it to fit easily under furniture for storage, while its longer running belt, 40-inch in length and 16 in width, and 6 silicone shock absorbers provide a comfortable and safe workout experience. The LED display and remote control enhance usability, allowing users to monitor their exercise metrics and adjust speed with ease. With no assembly required and built-in transport wheels for portability, the THERUN Walking Pad is designed to help maintain a cardio routine regardless of weather conditions, backed by professional customer service for any inquiries. Number 4. Sunny Health Manual Walking Pad. The Sunny Health and Fitness Classic Treadmill is a compact and ergonomic exercise machine designed for home use, ideal for small spaces. With dimensions of 49-inch dx 23, wx 50h and a lightweight design of 22.23 kilograms, it features a durable running surface of 42 inches by 13 inches, perfect for power walking or light jogging. The treadmill operates on a fixed incline that enhances workout intensity, promoting cardiovascular health and increased calorie burn through its dual flywheel system. Users can easily monitor their fitness progress with a user-friendly LCD display that tracks essential metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned. This non-electric treadmill offers convenience and low maintenance, requiring no electrical outlet and featuring a foldable design for easy storage. Safety is prioritized with a non-slip running surface and soft foam hand grips for added comfort and stability during workouts, making it a versatile addition to any home gym. Number 5. Horizon Fitness T101. The Horizon Fitness T101 treadmill is a highly rated, reliable piece of equipment designed for home workouts, featuring a sleek black aluminum frame with dimensions of 34-inch dx57, wx71, and a weight of 180 pounds. It boasts a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour powered by a 2.5 horsepower motor, and its innovative foldable design with featherlight technology makes it perfect for small spaces, allowing for easy storage between workouts. The treadmill offers user-friendly, intuitive dial controls for adjusting speed and incline, along with Bluetooth connectivity for streaming media through integrated speakers. Its unique variable response cushioning system provides excellent shock absorption, ensuring comfort at any pace, while the ultra-quiet motor design contributes to a more pleasant workout environment. Additional features include a tablet holder, USB charging port, heart rate grips, and a built-in fan, making it a comprehensive choice for fitness enthusiasts aiming to enhance their exercise routines.